What are the common uses of Mupirocin 2% ointment?
Hello, and welcome to our discussion on Mupirocin 2% ointment. Today, we'll delve into what it is, its common uses, and how it can be beneficial to you. Mupirocin 2% ointment is an antibiotic topical treatment with a variety of applications, and we're going to cover those in depth. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting or stopping any medication.
What is Mupirocin 2% ointment?
Mupirocin 2% ointment is a topical antibiotic. That means it's an antibiotic that's applied directly to the skin. It works by stopping the growth of certain bacteria that can cause skin infections. It's not used for fungal or viral infections. It's primarily for bacterial ones.
What are the common uses?
One of the main uses of Mupirocin 2% ointment is for impetigo, a bacterial skin infection commonly found in children. The ointment can be applied directly to the sores to help them heal. It can also be used for other skin infections caused by bacteria. Another common use for Mupirocin 2% ointment is for secondary skin infections. These are infections that occur as a complication of another skin condition like eczema or psoriasis. The ointment can help to treat these secondary infections. In certain cases, Mupirocin 2% ointment is used to treat methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA, colonization. This isn't an infection, but rather when the MRSA bacteria are present on the body without causing an illness. Applying Mupirocin can help to prevent an active MRSA infection from occurring.
How to use Mupirocin 2% ointment?
This ointment is usually applied to the affected area 1 to 3 times daily, or as directed by your healthcare professional. It's important to wash and dry your hands before and after applying the ointment, and to apply a thin layer to the affected area. Always follow your healthcare professional's instructions closely, as the dosage and length of treatment depend on your medical condition and response to treatment. To wrap things up, Mupirocin 2% ointment is an effective topical antibiotic primarily used for treating bacterial skin infections. Always remember to consult with your healthcare professional before starting or changing your treatment regimen. We hope this video has helped you understand more about Mupirocin 2% ointment and its uses. Thank you for watching.